Welcome back to Investor Expert, your trusted source for smarter, faster, future-proof finance. If you want financial freedom without being chained to a desk, you're in the right place. Imagine waking up in Bali, working from a cafe in Lisbon, and watching the sunset in Mexico, all while growing your savings and investments. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's absolutely possible, if you manage your money right. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to handle your finances while living that global nomad lifestyle. From budgeting and banking to saving, taxes, and investing, this is your ultimate money guide for a life on the move. When you're traveling constantly, traditional banks won't cut it. You need global access to your money with minimum fees. That's where digital banks like Wise, Revolut, or N26 come in. These platforms let you hold multiple currencies, withdraw cash globally, and avoid those painful foreign transaction fees. You can also get paid in different currencies if you're freelancing or working remotely. Pair that with PayPal, Stripe, or Payoneer for receiving payments internationally, especially if you're earning online. Being a digital nomad doesn't mean spending recklessly. In fact, budgeting is more important when your environment keeps changing. Use tools like INAV, Notion, or even a Google Sheet to track your expenses weekly. Allocate fixed amounts for accommodation, food, travel, insurance, and savings. Choose countries that stretch your dollar further. Think Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, or Latin America. You can live well and still save thousands a year just by choosing your location wisely. Stuff happens. Flights get cancelled, laptops break, clients ghost you. That's why having a buffer is critical. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund and keep it accessible in a high-yield savings account or digital wallet. This fund isn't optional, it's your financial parachute. Just because you're on the move doesn't mean your money should sit idle. Automate your investments. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or apps like Robinhood depending on your country of residence. Index funds, ETFs, and long-term crypto holds can all be managed online. Set it, forget it, and let your money grow while you explore the world. Also, look into geo-arbitrage. Earn in strong currencies like dollars or euros, but spend in affordable places. That gap can be your secret weapon for wealth. This part is usually ignored, but skipping it can cost you big. Even as a nomad, you may still owe taxes in your home country. Learn about tax treaties, foreign earned income exclusions, or territorial tax systems depending on your passport. If your income is online-based, consider talking to a tax advisor familiar with digital nomads. Some nomads even establish residency in countries with better tax benefits, like Dubai, Portugal, or Panama. Do your research and stay legal. Last, don't ignore insurance. Travel insurance is a must, but also look into health insurance for nomads like Safety Wing or Nomad Insurance by World Nomads. These protect you against emergencies without draining your finances. You should also use two-factor authentication, secure passwords, and VPNs to keep your accounts and finances safe while accessing them on public Wi-Fi networks. Living the digital nomad dream isn't just about freedom, it's about financial discipline. With the right tools, habits, and systems, you can earn, save, and invest while living on your own terms, anywhere in the world. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and comment where you're planning to travel next. This is Investor Expert, helping you master your money and live limitlessly.